And some more bad news. More than 13 people, including a child, have been killed and 75 others injured in a Ukrainian drone strike on Russia's Tatarstan region. Russian officials say drones struck the city of Nizhnekarsk, more than 1,100 kilometers from the Ukrainian border. Ukraine has confirmed that an oil refinery in the city was targeted. Ukrainian defense technology firm Firepoint says its FP1 drones were used in the attack. Russia says industrial facilities as well as residential areas were hit, although international media has not independently verified the claim. A period of mourning has been declared in Tatarstan. The strike comes as Kyiv intensifies long-range attacks on Russian energy and military-related infrastructure. Russia says its air defenses shot down more than 450 Ukrainian drones overnight. Meanwhile, Russian attacks continue in Ukraine with 21 people killed in a recent drone and missile strike on Kyiv and 5 others killed in an artillery attack in Kharkiv.